Hey there, Coach Pryor back with you. Super excited and thankful you are here because in this particular video, I'm going to share with you my 6 secrets to making 6 figures in network marketing. So my first tip for you here today, number 1, is commit to bettering yourself. One of the coolest parts about getting to work with so many 6-figure, multiple 6-figure, and even 7-figure earners inside the network marketing profession is they are 100% sold out on bettering themselves. What does this mean? This means that they put themselves before others when it comes to reading, listening, participating, going to trainings, conferences, investing in coaching and mentorship. They understand that just because they're making 6 figures, multiple 6 or 7 figures, that they need to invest even more into themselves, into their minds to continue to grow. This is what leaders do. And this is my first secret to helping you get to 6 figures. Commit to bettering yourself every single day. Awesome. So now my second secret to 6 figures in network marketing is focus on relationships. I think too many times nowadays, especially if you're working your business on social media, we can be quick to pull the trigger to try to get someone to buy your products or join your team. And we kind of overlook the most important component of our profession, and that is relationships, building authentic and genuine relationships with the people around you. Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever bought something from someone you do not trust? Or rather, would you buy something from someone you do not trust? Of course not. Second question, would you get into business with someone you do not trust? Of course not, okay? We must focus on relationships and earning trust with those within our audience and network to see if they might be open to what it is you have to offer. My second secret, focus on genuine relationships. Right on. Now let's transition into my third secret to building 6 figures inside of network marketing. So many overlook this third secret, and that is creating a daily method of operation, a DMO. You see, most, especially those online, wake up, right? And they just log on Facebook, no rhyme, no reason, no plan, no strategy, no nothing. They're just kind of flying by the seat of their pants and hoping that they get results. You need to map out a strategic DMO, okay, so that you understand and comprehend what it is you need to be doing every single day. Some people like to call them IPAs, income producing activities. Jumping on Facebook and just scrolling the newsfeed, I'm afraid, is not one of those. Now, I'm gonna throw you a little curveball. I've given you 3 secrets to 6 figures so far. What I'm gonna do now is highly encourage you to head over to our blog. You'll find the link just below in the description to access my additional 3 secrets to help you get to 6 figures. So let's quickly recap. Number 1, commit to bettering yourself. Number 2, focus on genuine relationships. And number 3, you must have a DMO, a daily method of operation. I'm super excited for you to access my additional 3 secrets at the blog post link just below this video. If by chance you got some value, as always, feel free to share this with your team. God bless you. We'll see you next time. Hey, Coach Pryor here. Just wanted to quickly say thank you again so much for checking out today's video. And be sure, if you got some value from today's video, be sure to hit the subscribe button right here so that you can get notified each and every time we upload more free training.